Hi
everyone.
everyone, I am Dave Bigalisa.
I'm Arcangelo Narciso,
I am Julius Mugaras Jr.
and
And
we
we
are
are
here
here
to
to
share
share
our
our experiences of
for
our
our
resilience
activity,
activity. We'll each answer questions about our challenges.
coping strategies, and what we learn about ourselves.
After that, we'll create a shared resilience plan for each other.
So, what is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
One challenge I faced was managing my time between studies and family responsibilities. It was really stressful.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
I learned to stay organized, keep a planner, and prioritize my tasks every day.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
I discovered that I can stay calm under pressure if I plan ahead.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
Mostly school deadlines and financial challenges.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
Having a supportive friends and taking time to rest helps me a lot. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
I struggled with self-doubt and lack of motivation during the semester.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
I tried to stay positive, prayed often, and talked to my classmates for encouragement.
What did you learn about yourself during the time?
I learned that it's okay to ask for help and that I don't have to do everything alone.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
Exams and the pressure to pass all my subjects.
What support or strategies that might help you cope better?
Studying with friends and taking small breaks to avoid burnout. Okay. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
Adjusting life, adjusting to college life and being away from my family was hard.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
I stayed determined and remind myself of my dream to become a marine engineer.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I'm stronger than I thought and I can adapt to new environments.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
Balancing academics, personal time, and expectations from my family.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
Better time management and having emotional support from my classmates. So for for Angelo, I noticed that you're very organized and responsible. I think you can improve by giving yourself more rest. I'll support you by reminding you to take breaks and not overwork yourself.
For Julius, I admire your positivity and willingness to ask for help. You can improve by building more confidence in your abilities. I support you by encouraging you before exams.
Per day, I can see your determination and discipline. Maybe you can improve by not being too hard on yourself. I'll support you by cheering you when things get tough.
We learned we
We
learned
learn
that
that
resilience
Resilience
means
means
not
not
giving
giving
up.
up when
even when life gets hard,
By
by
supporting
supporting
each
each
other,
other
we grow stronger.
together.
together.